What's going on, everybody? Live from SoCal. Especially, we are in a very special place. I don't know if you're car enthusiasts are very aware of. This is a warehouse number 1 in San Pedro. This is where the car community comes in and tests their cars. As you can see, there's tire marks everywhere. This is where the nightlife is. See a bunch of them over there too. So there's car freaks, and I am driving a Mini today. I know, big difference from what we usually drive, but today I have to drive this because I have it has a special spot in my heart. I had a Mini before, 2012 JCW Clubman edition. It was a great car. It had a lot of headaches, but it was a great car. So I needed to drive this to get back into the old days. So this is a Mini 2022 Countryman Cooper S. It does have some tunes. That's a Sport edition. has a cargo room. This is more family oriented. So I'm gonna drive it right now. I'm gonna see what happens. Maybe give a good thumbs up, maybe not. So we'll take a look. Very similar to any regular Mini. The difference on this one is all four wheel drive. The Cooper S, the Countryman, has a lot of room inside. So now we take a look at it. We're gonna drive it and we're gonna see how it feels. I'm excited. Brings me back all memories, and hopefully it doesn't let me down. Not so cold start. I don't know, but for a Mini, I'd say it's okay. Now I'm inside the cabin. I need to set up some heating and other things before we ride. Hopefully you like it. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, so we'll see. We'll give it a try. Of course, when we drive this car, no green stuff. We go sports mode all the way, which we are, and we'll give a driving experience. This is Car Freaks, and we're driving the 2022 Mini Countryman Cooper S, and this is the Enigma Black Edition. SE. Sports mode, always. All right. Overall, pretty good, but I know what you guys are here for, so we're gonna do that. So in sports mode, AC's a little lower, so you can hear the tone. Hopefully you hear it. 3, 2, 1. Overall, it's okay. The pickup at first was not the greatest, but you can hear the car, you can feel it too, and hopefully you enjoy it. Sports mode, pretty good, can't complain. I'm very familiar with the Mini floor plan. I had a Mini, like I told you in the first part of the video, back about three years ago. I enjoy the car. It was really sporty, but when it came to the repairs, they were just a mess. So I decided to go with my 2020 Toyota Corolla, and now I'm driving this. A lot of good features that I see overall. Before, in the past, I would never recommend this type of vehicle for a family, but it has a little bit more room now. So I would say one kid, not like my Mercedes test drive that I did. I can fit 7 just fine. Has a lot of sporty features, and now we're just gonna keep driving. Okay. Let's give it a try over here. So as you can see, it's an updated digital cluster, which I am in between yet because I haven't driven it enough, but it does have a lot of information. As a turbo. Pretty good road that we are on right now. This is San Pedro, California. Very calm place, somewhat. I can hear the wastegate. Hear the turbos spinning. Not bad. It's a nice winding road. Just see the response. Responsive. It's not like the JCW I have. Definitely a better floor plan on this car than the one that I had before, but the JCW has all the specs necessary for you to, you know, feel more of a sports car. Even though this one is on sports mode, you're feeling it. The suspension is tight, which is good. But once you drive a JCW, you can't go back. It's a little different, but family-oriented vehicle, yeah, I could dig it. So in my opinion, this car is a car that you would lease. The value of the car is not that great at the end of the day. So if you just like to have a sippy car, enjoy the driving, have some fun, maybe go on a nice cruise somewhere, and enjoy the nice cornering without having anything else to do on the car, or without putting any money into it, then I would say lease the car, have it for 2 to 3 years, get that out of your system. Overall, the car, it is bigger than what it was before, and I just want to appreciate you for watching the video and sticking to, if you stay to this time, which is the end of the video. I appreciate you. I'm very thankful that you are taking the time to watch this video. My name is Manny. This is Car Freaks. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and give me any feedback that you know my work at the end. For those who recommended cars on the previous videos, I'm working on it. This is all me. This is a one-man show. I have support from a few friends here and there, but overall, I don't own those vehicles. I'm just driving it because I'm either asking them to borrow me or something like that. I don't own these vehicles. So hit the like, subscribe, and I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.